Hey, if you're looking for a cleaner way to sleep, I might have the solution for you. I'm DaveWeLike and welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about two different Solace products. First off, the CopperCoolingPillow, as well as its Pillowcase. So let's go ahead and take out the pillow along with the pillowcase, and as you can see, you've got actually a pretty nice white as well as copper look and feel to it. The nylon is the cooling portion of the pillowcase, while the copper fabric is the one that is antimicrobial as well as antibacterial, so it's going to be killing like dust mites and funguses and mold and bacteria that really just thrive on other pillows. The nylon is also going to help wick away that moisture, and as I can feel right now, it is pretty cool to the touch. So now specifically talking about the pillow technology, obviously it comes with the pillowcase, but as we take that off, you can see that the pillow itself is encased in what they call the Solace copper shield technology, and basically that's there to also help prevent pathogen growth. So there are two sides, and I don't know if you can exactly see it all that well, but basically there's a blue as well as a dark side to it. And they are actually different. So the blue side is softer and will also help cool the pillow, while the black side is more firm and has activated charcoal bamboo infused into the memory foam. What you might be able to see is that there are holes throughout the entire pillow which help increase the airflow, as well as it's hypoallergenic and should remove bad odors as well as absorb excess moisture as well. A lot of you might be thinking like, well, do I actually need all this technology in my pillow? I would say yeah, of course you do. The reason is because you're going to be sweating every night, and that is just going to help the bacteria grow and grow and grow on both your pillowcase as well as your pillow. And realistically, I mean, just answer this. How many times do you actually wash your pillowcase within a week? If it's 0 times, I definitely think you have a problem. And you might have a big infestation on your pillowcase right now. Even if you do wash your pillow once a week, you still might have plenty of bacteria on the back of your neck or on the side of your face that, for example, could be increasing your acne. Now, if you already have a pillow that you like to use, you should still be able to use the Solace pillowcase on top of that pillow and get a much cleaner experience. As you can see here, I'm trying out the Solace CopperCoolingPillow along with this pillowcase. I do feel supported on the firm side no matter what position I go on in, whether or not that's my sides or my back itself. The firm side is, I would say, more of a medium firm. It's not too hard, not too soft. The soft side to me is very soft, and it feels as if I'm sinking into the pillow significantly. I would say that the shape of the pillow really holds up well, and there's no feeling that I need to like move it around and tuck it around in order for me to be comfortable. Initially, the pillow does feel very cool on my skin, and I think though that, again, this is a passive cooling experience, so if you don't have air conditioning to keep that air in your environment cool, the pillow will eventually kind of just become room temperature. But I do think it remains cooler than a typical foam pillow. So if you're in the ballpark for a new pillow, you might as well get one that basically cleans itself. And that's kind of what the Solace CopperCoolingPillow and pillowcase do. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them in the comments section below. Smack that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos coming soon.